Introducing the newest camera from XIR Automation. The XIR 1800 thermal camera. In the same form factor as the popular XVC 1000 series of cameras. See more than ever before, using XIR technology. With a sensor that is sensitive from 250 to 1800 degrees C, you can see right through smoke. Weld Studio contains a plethora of thermal tools, such as color profiles to show temperature, line profile to show temperatures along a given line, pixel reader, which is a movable point in the camera window to show the temperature on any spot on screen. All tools can be used one at a time or in conjunction with each other. These are just some of the new tools in Weld Studio for the new XIR 1800 thermal camera.